Hello programmers, I hope you all are okay. In the previous video we have learnt how to use series. Today we'll continue from the previous session. It's part 2 of pandas. Let's continue. Now our first topic is ILOC. I means index, LOC is location, and LOC, that is location. These are functions which will be used in series. These are used for indexing and accessing accessing the elements of series. Fine. Here ILOC, it's a position based indexing. Using it we can extract the elements of a series using the index number, the actual index which is given to the series by default. Okay. Next is LOC, that is नेम बेस्ड इंडेक्सिंग. कल हमने सीखा था, इन प्रीवियस वीडियो वी हैव लर्न टू गिव इंडेक्स ऑफ आर चॉइस टू द सीरीज. This LOC is based on that type of indexing. Let's have a practical look. Let's open my Python. Okay, it's Python. Our first practical trial. Let's create a series. Let it be pd dot series. In it let's take a list. The list I have taken, then index I am providing. Let it be a bracket close. Now let's see what is there in our series. This is the series we have created. Now let's try these two functions. First of all, the variable in which our series is there, then ILOC. Okay, this is indexed base locating of elements of series. For that, I am locating it from index number 1 to 4. Now you can see index number 1 means the second element and index number 4 means the third element. Sorry, the element with the index number 3 means -1 होता है, that you remember ना. तो it means it will be showing index number 1 till index number 3. Got it? Now let's try it with LOC. LOC here, suppose I want to see from B till E. Done? Clear? B से और E तक. You can see this was my series and from B to E is showing the complete. यहाँ पे वो -1 का लॉजिक नहीं है. I think it's clear. चलिए next is creating a series from a scalar or constant value. Scalar means that is something, a single value you can say, or that's a constant value. It is must to provide an index. For this type of series, it is a compulsion for us to provide a index in the series. Otherwise, we have learned to create a series without giving index. Automatically the index was given to the series, but here it's a compulsion to give the index. The constant value will be repeated. Constant value means जो element है series के, that the single value is there, and as per the index all those values will be repeated for the index. चलिए practical के through समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. Let's create a series again. pd dot series. This, let's take a scalar value. Let it be 54. Okay, एक value दी मैंने, constant value it is, and it's must to give index. चलिए index I am giving this 4 index. As many indexes we want we can give here. Now let's see what is there in S1. Now what's there? A single constant value we have given and 4 indexes we have given. For all those 4, the same index value is repeated every time. Okay, this is how we can create a series using a scalar or a constant value. Let try it with the constant string indexes. Okay, let it be this only. Okay, now try it. What is there? You can see this 54 is repeated for all these three indexes. This is how we can create a series using a scalar value. Now the same thing we can create with, look, using range in index of series. जो scalar value हमने ली उसमें हम in index we can give range, okay, in both times. Here start stop and this is start stop and jump. चलिए learn it through the practical. Here the same, let's take the upper command. Okay, index में ही change कर रहे हैं हम. In index I'll be taking range. सबसे पहले range ले रहे हैं हम. Range from where to where? Let it be from 0 to 4. Okay, 0 to 4. Now let's see S1. We can see index में we have taken 0 to 4, means 0 say 4 minus 1 till 3. 0 1 2 3 and the value will be same. Got it? अब jump लगा के देखें. In range वैल्यूज थोड़ी बढ़ाते हैं हम इसकी. 0 to 9 किया and 2 2 की jump करते हैं. Okay, now let's see S1. Now what we can see, from 0 it will start and till 8 it will go with the jump of 2 2, and because it was a scalar value so it will display same values for all the indexes. This is how we can create a series using range in index and using a constant value. Okay, चलिए. Now creating a series with index of string, that is of text type. चलिए, with the practical we should try to get it done. हाँ जी, using a string. How? Let's create a series. Dot series. Here I am taking hello all. Any string we can take, and after that index attribute. In index I'll be taking what? Let it be previous one. जैसे पहले लिया है वैसे ही लेते हैं. 3 indexes I have taken. Bracket close and round braces close. Done. Now let's see S1. Now what we can see here, this is also a scalar value or you can say a constant value, but it is a string, not in numerical form. Okay, because it's the single value, that's why these indexes will be repeated for all these. Got it? I think it's clear to everyone. Now we will learn creating a series with range and for loop. For loop already we have learnt. In that can be used in series. For that, this is the format, the elements of series. We can use range also here, and for indexing we will be using loop. Let's try it practically. Python I have opened. Let's create the same series. S1 is equal to series. Now range 1 to 15 I am taking with 3 jump, and here index is equal to, and I am taking x for x and a b c d e, yes, and round braces close. Now let's see S1. What we can see, in the string we have taken a b c d e, and these were for the x variable, और लूप भी हमने x पे लगाया, तो it means एक एक करके एक एक करेक्टर बाहर आएगा. That will be used as index. Okay, got it? And here In the elements we have taken 1 to 15 with 3 3 jump. 1 से start होके till 14 तक it will go with plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Got it? This is how using the loop we can use extract any of the series. Got it? चलिए. Next is creating a series using two different lists. Means list में हमने पहले सीखा है कि लिस्ट से कैसे बनती है हमारी सीरीज. Now we will learn to create series using two lists. Okay, means एक index में एक element में. As simple as that. Let's open Python and here I'll create. चलिए एक month की list बनाते हैं. In that चलिए Jan, Feb, March. That's it. इतनी बहुत है. One list is done. Next मैं बनाती हूँ number of days. In number of days list, what should I write? In Jan 31 days, then 28 days, and then 31. Done. Two lists we have created. Now let's create a series. pd dot series round braces start. Then first list, what will be that? Elements. I want to show the elements. Elements are number of days. Name of that list as it is, because in number of days we have written the number of days. Okay. Then in index equal to another list name. Another list is in my mom. Okay. Round braces close. Press enter. Oh, here I have dot s1 is equal to. Now s1. Now what you can see, this was one list and another list was this. Got it? This is how we can create a list using two lists. Clear? चलिए. Next is creating a series using missing values. Missing means something is missing. It is NaN. Na means not a number. Means number नहीं है हमारे पास. Means for example, suppose in this list I know that there are 5 to 6 elements. 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5 elements, but I don't know what is the fourth element. Means element है but I don't know the value. In that case we can use it, and it is used in the form of np.nan. It's an attribute of numpy library and it is used like this. Okay, clear है? Let's do the practical for this. Now one thing you can see, np used. np for numpy. It means हमने यहाँ पर पांडा import किया था, numpy नहीं किया. तो it means सबसे पहले we will import numpy. Import numpy as np. Okay, numpy is imported. Now let's try the same example. S1 dot series. The same example I am trying. 3 5 6 np dot nan 7. List is created, series is created. Let's see it. Now we can see nan means not a number, it's the missing number. We don't know the value of this element. This is nan, not a number value. Clear? चलिए. Creating a series using dictionary means using a dictionary, can we create a series? Yes, using dictionary for creating a series gives us the advantage of built-in keys. Used as index. यहाँ तो और फायदा है. By default, automatically index are automatically created. The keys of the dictionary are used as इंडेक्स. हमें पता है ना की एंड वैल्यू, की एंड वैल्यू, दिस इज की, दिस इज वैल्यू, दिस इज की एंड दिस इज वैल्यू. तो ऑल द कीज आर यूज्ड एज index and all the values are elements. We won't require declaring an index in a separate list. डिक्शनरी में सबसे बड़ा फायदा, no need for declaring any index separately. Let's try it in Python idle window. In Python idle window, first of all we will create a series. S1 is equal to pd dot series. Here we'll be creating, and dictionary is started with the curly braces. Okay, Jan, then is2 symbol आता है, याद है ना. Then next key, that is fab, is2 का symbol, then number of days, then next. Okay, only 3 elements right now we are taking. Done. Now let's see what is there. Now what you can see, it's very easy to create the same thing we had created here. पहले हमने दो लिस्ट बनाई, then we have used that in series, but here it's more easy using a dictionary. Automatically the indexes are there and our elements are there. Got it beta? चलिए, naming a series. Now can we name any of the series? Yes, we can give name to index and values of a series. हम series के index को भी नाम दे सकते हैं और series की values को भी नाम दे सकते हैं. This is the method. Let's do it. चलिए, इसी S1 को नाम दे रहे हैं हम. The method of giving the name is series variable. What is the variable of my series is S1. S1 dot name. Name I have given days. Okay, this name I have given. Now let's see S1. S1 को देखते हैं. You can see these are days. Okay, चलिए अब index को नाम दें. S1 dot index name. Index dot name is equal to months. Names are all are string that will be given in the quotes. ध्यान रखना ये चीज. Done. Let's see S1. आप देखो, index name will be at the top and name of the elements will be at the means. दो कॉलम होते हैं हमारी सीरीज में. Okay, one is for index, one is for elements, and two names for both the columns we can give through the S1 dot name and S1 dot index dot name. Clear? This is how we can name a series for both index and. Now next is creating a series using a mathematical expression and function. We can use mathematical functions like plus, minus, division, multiply, all that in our series. For example, you can see here we have used an arrange function in variable S1. Then in S2 what we have done, in index this S1, these values 10 to 15 we have used, and for data means for the elements of the series, this S1 is multiplied with 4. Okay, so here the arithmetical function is used, the mathematical function is used. Let's try it practically. The same function we will try here. S1 np dot arrange, from 10 to 15 we are using here. Then let's see what's there in S1. Arrange, okay, double R कर दिया मैंने. Here single R. This one done. Now let's see S1. It means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These values are there in S1. Now let's take another variable, and now we are creating series. In series, first of all I am taking index, and that index is S1. And second one I am taking data. For that data is S1 into 2 कर लीजिए, 3 कर लीजिए, whatever you want that we can do. Done. Now let's see S2. What you can see, it is into 2, 10 into 2, 11 into 2, 12 into 2, because S1 is index, S10 to 15 जो values हैं means 10 to 14, 15 minus 1, got it? They are index and data is into 2, this into 2. Mathematical function use हो गया, got it? This is how we can use it. What? The mathematical functions here. Next is let's try something. Plus 2. What happened here? क्या हुआ? We have done S2 plus 2 means in 10 you can see here index are same, only in the elements plus 2 is done. चलिए S2 minus 2 करते हैं. What happened? What was there in S2? Actual में S2 ये है, इसी में -1 हुआ है. Got it? I think arithmetical functions are clear to everyone. चलिए next, series object attribute. जो series हम बनाते हैं, these are the attributes which can be applied on them. Means suppose index, to return the index of the series, dot values, return the values of the series. Let's try them one by one, not to discuss verbally. चलिए S1 already a series we have created or no? S2. Yes, this S2 series we have just created before few seconds. We'll try all the attributes here only. S2 dot index, first attribute. Let's press enter. What is returned here? It is returning all the indexes of series S2. ये index थे हमारे. Okay. Next is S2 dot values, जिसको हम बार बार elements कह रहे हैं. These were the elements, right? Correct है ना? Next is S2 dot D type means data type. What are the data types here? All the values are of integer, right? Now next to S2 is shape. What is the shape? हाँ जी, 5 means सिर्फ 5 columns हैं, rows हैं, sorry, only one dimension. That's why only one value is there. Row comma column होता है ना, तो this is only one dimensional. अगर 2 dimensional होता तो after comma another value was with it. It means only 5 elements are there. Okay. Next is S2 dot n bytes. It will return the number of bytes your series is occupying. Okay. Then S2 dot ndim. It returns the number of dimension. कितने dimension बताए थे मैंने? 1 dimensional. Series is always 1 dimensional. Then S2 dot size. Size means how many number of elements are there in your series. There are only 5 elements, right? Then S2 dot item size. What I did here, S2 dot I have written is correctly, then what's the issue? S2 dot item size. चलिए we'll see it later on. Next करते हैं. S2 dot has nans. False. Has nans. पढ़ने का तरीका देखो बेटा. Has nans. Nans हमने पढ़ा था not our number value. Means it is asking S2 में nan value है? नहीं है. That's why it's returning false. Then S2 dot empty. सबसे पहले हमने empty series बनानी सीखी थी, तो it is asking whether it is empty. No, खाली थोड़ी element है. 5 elements are there. That's why returning false. I think all are clear. I'll see regarding item size and later on I'll tell you what's the issue. Got it? चलिए. Next is retrieving values from a series using head and tail. अब head और tail क्या होता है? Head पहले आता है, tail बाद में आता है, या head आगे होता है, tail पीछे होता है. It is what we seems to be. तो same thing, head means आगे, tail means पीछे. series dot head, if we use this function, it fetches first n numbers which we will put in between these braces. Okay, means if we'll use head function, it will return us n number of values from the starting, and if we'll use tail function, it will give us n numbers from the last. Let's have a practical look here. What we will do, first of all, we'll create a series, or we can use the previous one. S2 already we are having, this is S2. Okay, now I'll do S2 dot head. Okay, and I want 2 elements. Look, starting 2 आ गए. If I'll write S2 dot head 3 कर दूं, then starting 3. चलिए टेल ट्राई करते हैं. टेल 2 यानी कि लास्ट के 2. ये देखो, ये हमारी वैल्यूज थी. लास्ट के 2 इज 13 14. गॉट इट. लास्ट के 3 करके देखें. ओके, head function will fetch the starting elements of the series, and tail function will fetch the last elements of the series. Got it. Mathematical operations on series, it can be performed in series. सब कुछ हमने कर लिया. ये this one अभी ये मैंने सिखाया आपको. S1 plus 2 किया. All that we have done. Let's try it once more in different way. For this, it can be performed in series using scalar values. ठीक है, स्केलर सिंगल वैल्यूज को यूज करके हम इसे कर सकते हैं, एंड फंक्शंस भी यूज कर सकते हैं. +2 प्लस स्केलर वैल्यूज किसके लिए यूज हुआ है, लाइक S1 plus 2, S1 plus 3, जैसे मैंने अभी करके दिखाया था. अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशन इज पॉसिबल ऑन ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ सेम इंडेक्स. मीन्स अगर मैं S1 plus S2 कर रही हूँ, then the index of both the series must be same. चलिए करते हैं हम यहाँ. Let's take another series. S2 को चेंज करते हैं. S2 is equal to PD dot series. मैं यहाँ इंडेक्स चेंज कर रही हूँ उसका. इंडेक्स आई एम टेकिंग 1 2 3. ओके, डन. अब अगर मैं S1 plus S2 करूँ, would it be done? No. Look here. Means for those values where index is not matching, the return will be NA and not a value number, not a number value. Got it? समझ में आया? Where the index is matching. Why? क्योंकि मेरे पहले S1 में इंडेक्स था 0 1 2. यहाँ मैंने 1 2 3 लिया. मीन्स 2 values of index are matching. 1 और 2 है ना, इसमें भी है, S1 में भी थे. दैट्स वाई 2 के इन्होंने ऐड कर दी हैं. 2 की वैल्यू 9. मीन्स वेयर देयर द वैल्यूज ऑफ इंडेक्स आर नॉट मैचिंग, इन दोज केसेस फॉर अरिथमेटिक फंक्शंस और अरिथमेटिकल मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस, इट विल रिटर्न nan, not a number value. Clear? चलिए नेक्स्ट. Vector operation on series means all this we have seen. Let's see once more. Means S1 we have. Yes, this is S1. चलिए let's do it. S1 plus 2 हो गया. +2 हो गया ना. Let's see S1 is greater than 2. है कोई? सारे बड़े हैं. नहीं. What it will show? Nothing. How? Must be done. Oh, that is S1. Look, first value was 2. It was not greater than 2. Other 2 were greater. That's why it is false, true, true. These are the vector operation. Let's exponent भी हो सकता है. S1. मैं हर बार S1 भूल जाती हूँ. Now, what you can see? Squares are done. Clear? I think vector operations are the most easiest part here. Now, retrieving values using conditions. Retrieving the values. अभी हमने यहाँ देखा, what we have seen, that if I am checking S1 is greater than 2, so it will check all the elements of S1. If anyone is greater than 2, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. But आई वॉन्ट टू गेट द वैल्यूज विच आर ग्रेटर देन 2. यहाँ तो बस ट्रू फॉल्स मिला ना, मुझे वो वैल्यूज चाहिए. फॉर देम बहुत सिंपल सी बात है. S1 वेरिएबल एंड विद इन द स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स द वेक्टर ऑपरेशंस. बहुत सिंपल. ये लिखा. अब देखते हैं आ गया. सिंपल. ऑल द वेक्टर ऑपरेशन विद इन द स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स एंड at outer of square brackets the variable of our series. That's it, nothing else. easy है ना. चलिए let's check. S1 मुझे देखना है कोई 4 है इसमें. any 4 is there. equal to 4 कर दिया मैंने. done. syntax. ओहो हो I forgot. क्या भूल गई मैं, बताएंगे, सोचेंगे जरा. yes, equals to is single equals to is assignment operator and double equals to is equal to operator. Got it. चलिए, now our last topic for today is deleting elements from a series. How to delete. add तो हम कर ही नहीं सकते. हमने सीखा है कि series size is immutable, we cannot change. okay, तो size तो हम ना बढ़ा सकते, but we can decrease. we cannot add but we can delete, and this is done through the series variable dot drop then your index number. let's try it. we have series S2 है, S1 है. this S1 is series with us, already we have created. let's delete the index number zeros value. 02 को delete करते हैं. तो S1 dot drop and within the braces index number. deleted. now S1 में क्या है हमारे पास. हाँ, drop 0. what it did in S1 all the elements are there. how. okay, in drop it will display the values after dropping that value. okay, it will not delete permanent. clear. चलिए, that's it for now. do revise this and do the practice well. okay, bye.